What's up, guys? It's Bill here with Cali Moto TV, Cali Track Days. We're here at the beautiful Thunderhill. In the skies, we've got this cloud above us. It's just dropping a few little drops. So we've got a few little drops on the R9T, but look at this bad boy. Look at this. Look at this thing. Just so sick. Love it. So we're going to do our kind of final ride on this R NineT Racer. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. I had a good ride last time on it, man. The thing felt amazing. Sean McDonald, he's always trying to mess with me. Little punk. Yeah, so we had a good little ride. Let's get this fired up. Listen to that thing. So I think we are out on grid, so we're gonna let some of these fast guys, this is the B plus group, so this is the fast group, so I'm gonna let these guys go. And I'm gonna take, all right, cool. I'm gonna take the second wave. Looks like we've lightened up quite a bit. All right, we're out, we're out. Let's go running, baby. All right, and there we go. So we've got a little bit of precipitation out there. A little bit of rain. Got the fluid flags out. So we'll get some heat in the tires and get going. So it's been a wonderful day. We just had this, literally this one cloud that's above us right now, literally just came on the last session, and we didn't have that many crashes because of it. We had one guy that hit it. It rained on the other side of the track. So that was a little wide. So, but it looked like it's drying up. Yeah, they're pulling the flag in now. So it looks like it's done dropping on us. So we should be able to get up to speed. Now what's nice is that we've been up about 75 degrees. So it actually cooled down quite a bit with that cloud coming over. So it feels very, very nice out on track right now. Well, let's go, guys. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Oh, the exhaust just sounds amazing. That was a mechanical. Of course, it's a Ducati. Sorry, Ducati owners. This BMW sounds amazing, man. And it's been running great. I'll tell you, I'm pleasantly surprised with this thing. I won't go into too much. I know you guys hear me say it all the time, but I love this little bike. I love it. So I hope you guys are just going to enjoy the ride. Cali Track Days is this is our second to last day here at Thunderhill, and we've got our final season closer at both Buttonwillow coming up and Buttonwillow will be our October day. So if this is coming out in time for that, if not, stay tuned because I'm out vlogging all day, baby, bringing you guys this wonderful content from on track, where we can safely do these speeds and learn how to ride to be a safer rider on track, so we ride safer off track. So that's our goal at Cali Track Days, becoming safer riding. That's what we want to do. We're not a racer organization. Ooh, rump. We're not a racer organization, so we're really we're here more for you street guys. And just to get out here and learn the lean, baby. Learn how not to go wide in corners like that. And just learn how to handle your bike better, and being gradual with everything, and braking and acceleration, and just basically getting everything down to make you a better rider. When you learn that here on track, you guys become a way better rider on the street. And so that's the goal of Cali Track Days. But the R9T Racer, I'm like, I don't want to shift now because it's like the clutch. I downshifted too low in turn 5 and the bike didn't like me. Slipper clutch kind of kicked out on me, or the non-slipper clutch. I'm gonna find out what the cost is to do a slipper clutch, because I really think I might like it better. The bike sounds so rad though. Up, drop, big drop. So we have got these Boss headers on there, but we're trying to get the R NineT stock. The problem that we're having is we've got the slip-on for Two Bros goes on catless, or with catless, and this is already catless. So we're trying to figure out fitment. So soon, hopefully, we'll have a new exhaust. But I'll tell you, the header with this exhaust, the exhaust really is quite loud. Sounds good. So I think if you guys, I've seen on like eBay and stuff, they sell these little pipes that basically take the, or no, that's a flapper, the little flap switch. You can remove that, so of course there's no flapper or cat on this Boss header. So that's why it sounds so delicious. Yeah, we're starting to get a little bit of rain. It's released. This cloud's just been sitting over us for like a half an hour. Kind of bummer. Brakes are sweet on this thing. All right, well, it's the end of my day, guys. We're gonna do one more lap. I got 2.5 more minutes left with you guys for today. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. But stay tuned if you guys, oh yeah, getting down, baby. If you guys have missed some of the videos from today, make sure to go back and check some of the videos out, because I'm running wooden knee pucks today. So that's pretty cool. I got a guy to the left of me. Let him through. Oh, raindrops. Ooh. It's wet, it's wet. Big boulder-sized drops. Woo! Oh yeah, we're gonna take it easy now. Yeah. Oh, big boulders. It's coming down. I can feel them. I can feel them hitting my leathers. But if you guys haven't seen all of the videos for today, check back on the playlist on track activity, because we brought the Sriracha bike out of hibernation. The Sriracha bike is out of hibernation, and we did some amazing runs with the Gixxer today. Then on the MT-09 today, and of course this is our second time out on the R NineT Racer. Oh yeah, these drops are big. All right, calling it a day, guys. I'm calling it a day. When you can smell it, you know that smell from the rain. It's time to head in. And of course I run over the paint like a moron. That's it. That's my day. That's my day. Oh yeah, look at the drops. You can see them. They're coming down pretty good. This one cloud, man, it's been sitting here, no joke, for like 40 minutes. This one cloud. But we're gonna let's get off track. Let's call it a day while we still are on two wheels. I'm a way safer, better, happier, better safe than sorry rider. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna call it, guys. But you can smell it. You can smell it. So there's water on ground, you know. But yeah, take a look, because if you guys haven't seen the Puckham video, I'm about to do the outro for it. Oh yeah, it's starting to dump. The Puckham video, I've got wooden puck sliders, and I've enjoyed them today. And so I've got to give a huge shout out to Puckham. It's Puck-EM, Puckham. Head over to their website, take a look. They've got so many different wood materials and so much available. So head over, check out Puckham's R NineT Racer. Let's get it undercover while we can. Oh yeah, it's wet. I'll take it. I'll take it all day long, guys. I will take that as an end of the day, all day long. R NineT Racer, MT-09, Sriracha bike, all three of those bikes I was on today. Make sure you check out the video. Make sure you check it out. Oh, little Sriracha bike, let's get you out of the rain, buddy. Get you out of the rain. But thank you guys for sticking around. Oh, here's Puckham. So my buddy, I gave him one so you can kind of see. But check out that video, R NineT, MT-09. Make sure you come and see us at Cali Track Days. 2 more events this year. But hey, thank you guys for riding with me on the beautiful R NineT Racer. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course, as always, leave me a comment. We will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.